Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejela Congrad Sangma ula Plie ka wei ni kislem ajing hikai kapan yerap ne kabenta ki Seng kam Lajong ya ka balatip kum ka Wahïajer prime hub haga ar Plie trik ukala lingkot arajar ar pusau haga snong Wahïajer ka bahap hapo ka thatless kain CNRD block haga ni sngi le don lang ki sembut Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba preston tensong uba senyap halang dahar nang ta Menteri Keterangan Cooperation ubak Coming One Emban Deputy Commissioner ke West Gentia Hills ubak BS Solia nalor ki officer sorkar ki reu pau khmat kathany ki nong kit kam jong ka IVCS bat ki nong songsnang Menteri Rangba ula ong ka jingdon jong ka prime hub kanyara ban Kyntiew ye ka yo ka kot jong ki nong rep kathany bat kumjuru ki nong Seng kam Lajong da ka bakin yo ye ki lat jing hikai bapher kumno banshna bat ban penya yo ki mar ki mata ba ki penmi ling ba ki marep mariang Menteri Rangba ulo ong rup ka jing pentre ye ka slem ka simportang de ki khendiat banai ha ka jinglut ka basau klor tingka bat ka ban traikam de ka boarding sola lani kata ka jing shai nakasngi
That this to make this machine.
No, this is at home.
Meghalaya, at least made in Meghalaya. 1,000 pieces if we can get, we can give it all across the villages.
100 rupees per broom.
Yeah. They are the largest, pipe. Oranges and all this.
So these have been developed. Last thing is made this machine.
This is a machine.
Has this simple, no?
This is a machine.
Easier for working out.
Yeah. How long take time to get this?
Yes, but it's not expert, no? It is available train. Even yesterday we trained some people. In 10 minutes time we finished the production.
No, they're saying that this to make this machine.
No, this is
To make this broom. Oh, broom. Okay. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
And this machine is also made here only, no?
Chinese are at home.
At home. In Meghalaya, at least made in Meghalaya.
The machine is made in Meghalaya also, that's what I'm saying.
No, locally made this machine.
He made it.
Oh, yeah.
So like that, if we start 1,000 pieces, if we can get, we can give it all across the villages. Instead of selling it at 100 rupees, whatever, people can sell it 250 rupees now.
So my intention is that we go and sell it in the market.
Yeah.
We can produce this kind of thing.
60 rupees.
How much?
This is for around 100,
100 rupees per broom?
Yeah.
With 1 kilo, how many brooms can you make?
2.5. 2.5 kg, we get 5 number of beans.
80 rupees we buy from farmers and we can make it into 250 rupees.
For a business.
There's a value addition now, because otherwise all of this goes to other states.
Yes.
So today, like states like Karnataka and all, they are the largest buyers of our one of the largest raw, unmade, like non-completed.
And also, mainly we just sell
And
raw.
this we can then send it after finishing, we can sell it in Guwahati.
Yeah, also now just sell raw material like that only.
Not raw material, but we send the finished product.
Send the finished product.
Send the finished-
Oh, great, yeah. So good, very good.
In the state we produce about 1,000 crores worth of broom. So with this value addition, we can make its value into 2,500 rupees.
Always multiply.
That's all I do. That's why this prime hubs like this will come up. So this is very simple. Yeah, very
Yes,
simple.
and this broom is grown in all regions of the state. I buy in Jaipur,
Everywhere. Because it's easiest to grow for the people, especially if the best part is it grows in wasteland. Yeah, good for the soil. So you're all 5 degrees centigrade. But good enough for oranges and all this.
Even if it is 10 degrees,
That is good enough. It will increase the shelf life by 1 week of any product.
Good.
2 kilowatts. They won't need that much.
This is for farmers.
This is the training center where all the training will be passed to the farmers. And we will use this
Yeah. Skill development. There are also IBCS is what IBCS is? Wahïajer. Cooperative Society.
We have our
Under them there would be so those could मिलाकर how much?
Business group now they have agreed Wahïajer IBCS not just formed. Now they have 120 members.
Okay.
But this training center will cater not only to Wahïajer but for the entire district.
At the grassroots level and allow people to be able to do different activities in terms of businesses, create opportunity for communities, create opportunities for the self-help groups and the villagers, and give an opportunity for everybody to be able to really create value at the village and grassroots level. So these prime hubs are basically incubation centers where different entrepreneurs, self-help groups, cooperative societies, farmers, women's group, farmers groups will come and they will discuss, they will have training, they will have different infrastructure, and they will be able to create more value out of the different products that they are already having. Our goal in 2018 was to see that whatever the people of the state are already involved in, how do we create more value out of that? So we started off by exploring the broomstick industry and the sector, and we realized that there was a huge opportunity because we were selling broomsticks, in terms of just the grass and not really the finished product. And hence started this entire journey, and I'm happy today that we finally have this particular prime hub where we are now making brooms. And just to give an idea to the public, that we are exporting roughly about 1,000 crores worth of brooms and grass every year. Once we add value to this, we can increase the size of the sector from 1,000 crores to 2,005 crores by adding value to it, and all this money will go to the cooperative societies, to the public, and to the farmers and to the entrepreneurs. So similarly, in every other product like turmeric, we started by only growing the turmeric. Now we are producing the powder, we are producing slices, we are even producing curcumin today. So like this, slowly and steadily, we hope that in all the blocks of the state, we will have one prime hub and different infrastructures for the farmers. But I must add to this that ultimately the success of any of these places will depend on you. We can create the infrastructure, but it is the people, the community, and the cooperative societies who have to make this a success. Hence, I'm very happy this kind of infrastructure has come up in matter of just months. This takes anything between 4 to 8 months to construct. So we can come up with these infrastructures in different parts. It cost about 4 crores to make this. And as you can see that this is completely solar powered. We don't need any conventional energy out here. It is completely from renewable energy that the cold storage is running, the lights are running, the machines are running, all on solar power. So this is another very unique point about these prime hubs. And as I mentioned, our target is to see that we are able to put this throughout the state in as many blocks and constituencies as possible, wherever the IBCSs are active.